How is the forecast impacting travelers out there?
Any day is the day to travel during this winter storm. It would be today. Now, I've been here at the airport all morning long, and those flights, as well as the TSA lines, have been relatively smooth. However, starting tomorrow, or maybe even tonight, we're expecting to see some changes. Currently at DIA Airport, operation is normal, but the airport tells me their snow teams are prepared and are ready to clear runways and plow the roads, adding that they are prepared for the snow now, during and after this storm. As for those traveling, we know some people have either delayed or tried to make an earlier flight today.
And that's going to the wedding asked me if I was going to make it. And then I looked at the weather and saw the storm coming and had to change my plans.
A good reminder, passengers should check in with their flights ahead of time to see if there are any accommodations to be made or if those flights are even happening. And we will be here for you all today as well as throughout tomorrow at the airport, bringing you all the latest on those flight cancellations and delays. Live at DIA, I'm your reporter, Kennedy Cook, covering Colorado First.
All right, Kennedy, appreciate it. Thank you.